This video is for companies who have inventory who want to partially pay on a purchase order without receiving any of the items. So let's say you prepay a vendor before you receive the items, and you don't want to add those items to inventory quite yet until you receive them. The first thing we're going to do is go to our chart of accounts and make sure you have a prepaid expenses account. I have one here, but I'll walk you through the process. Go to the bottom with account, hit new, other account types, it's another current asset, and then just type in prepaid expenses and put your number here, however you number your chart of accounts. I have one, so I'm just going to hit cancel. Here we're going to work with a test vendor. The PO number is test. And let's say that we're going to prepay $2,000 to this vendor before we receive any items. Hit Control W to bring up your right check window. It's a test vendor. We're not going to receive against the purchase orders. Let's say we're going to pay $2,000. And if you want to reference the purchase order number here, you can. And for account, under the expenses tab, we're going to hit prepaid. Save and close. Go back to your chart of accounts and you can now see this balance sheet account called prepaids is at $2,000. Let's go back to our purchase orders and you can see the $2,000 check here written to a test vendor. Let's write one more check for $500. Control W to pull up your right check screen. The test vendor auto populates there. Go ahead and change that to 500. Your prepaids are there. Hit save and close. Go back to your chart of accounts. You're now at 2,500. Your purchase order now shows these two checks, but you've not received any items yet. Let's say now you're finally ready to enter a bill to receive the items. Go to your bill center, write a test vendor, and this time, yes, we want to receive this purchase order. But you've already paid $2,500 towards this. Go to expenses, get that prepaids, and negative that out. Negative $2,500. You can see that's also going to reduce the amount due. Hit save and close. Go back to your chart of accounts. That is now 0. So you've now partially paid on a PO without affecting your inventory, and then you were able to receive that inventory and apply those prepayments to the bill.